feel great, man. My health is great, I think. Blood pressure is great.
But how do you feel about the launch of the CBD line?
Man, that's one of my new favorite products that Donna invented, man. It kind of helps me out with my finger. Let me take off the gloves so I can show you.
Real life testimonies.
Yeah, so I have like messed up fingers. One was amputated. So I have one amputation, two dislocation. I have nerve issues, so the CBD helped me out with my nerve pain.